Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Chat. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a virtual machine on VMware Workstation Player. So search for VMware Workstation Player and press enter. So guys, now I open the Workstation Player so you can see the option to create a new virtual machine. So please click on that. Okay, so you have two options when you create a virtual machine. You can install virtual machine and both operating system. The first option for that. Second option is first to create a virtual machine, then install operating system later. So here I will select second option. First I will create virtual machine and then later I will install operating system using attach CD DVD drive. So click on the second option and click on next. Okay, so now you need to define which operating system you are going to install. It's a Microsoft Windows one for me, so I need to select version. It's a Windows Server 2016. So this is operating system I'm going to install. Click on next. Okay, so guys, I need to give the name and also I need to give the file location for the virtual machine. So default one within the C drive, so I'm going to change it and I'm going to keep this virtual machine file on my E drive. Select the E drive and I will create a new folder. For that I will name it as VMware Workstation VMs. Okay, so guys, actually here I will first create the virtual machine, then I will attach the ISO image using a CD drive. So then I will boot my virtual machine, then I will specify the setting for the operating system installation. So that's what I'm going to do here. Okay. Okay, I selected created folder as destination and click on OK. Click next. Okay, now I need to define the disk capacity. I will keep 60 as the default one, and then I have two options on the bottom: store virtual disk as single file, split the virtual disk into multiple files. Here I will select the first one as my option, only single file. I will keep this as a single file. I will select first one and I will click on next. Okay, now I need to divide the hardware. I will click on customize hardware. I can define the memory. It's the recommended memory is 2 GB. It's automatically selected. So I will keep it as the recommended memory 2 GB. So then I need to define my processor. It means how many CPUs I'm going to allocate for virtual machine. Okay, so I will go on processor. So it's the cores, two cores. I keep it the same. And I need to attach, if I need to attach a CD drive, I can attach. So I'm going to attach a ISO image file. Click on use ISO image file. Then browse for the image file. This is the ISO image file of my operating system for Windows 2016 one. I have already downloaded it. Click on that. Okay. So then network adapter. So network adapter is my network interface card. Here device status connected power on. When power on, it will automatically connect to the network. So you can see there are several options for network connection: bridge, NAT, host only, custom LAN segment. In a future video I will describe each one. Here the default one is NAT. It means that my interface card automatically NAT to the my router IP and virtual machine will be able to integrate. For custom setting, you can define the virtual network. We have option VMnet 0, VMnet 1 and like that we can define it. So like that we can define the LAN segment also. So if you select LAN segment, you can add LAN segment. So actually in this video I'm not going to change the default one. I will keep the NAT mode. So my network card will be NATed to the my Wi-Fi router, then it will reach the internet. So as I mentioned earlier, I will describe each in future video. Okay, so that's what I need to do here. I will close this. Okay, I will finish my virtual machine creation wizard. Okay guys, now my virtual machine has been created and also I attached the ISO image to the virtual machine. So if I need to change the setting, if I need to add a network card, change the disk size, RAM, I can change using setting. So click on virtual machine and click on setting. Okay, so now you can see I can see memory, processor, hard disk and CD drive. So I have attached my ISO image as a CD drive. Okay, I will close this and then I will play my virtual machine. It means that I open power on it. Okay, so it is going to, okay, press any key to boot from CD drive. Okay, okay, there was a timeout unfortunately. Okay, no worry, this will give us the boot menu. Then we can press we can select boot from CD drive. Okay, now it's asking for the download and install the VMware tools. Okay, VMware tools, it's very important, so click on download and install. Okay guys, now it is downloading VMware tools. Actually, if we install VMware tools, we have several advantages. One of them is, so we can move my mouse pointer from our desktop to virtual machine console without any problem. You can see I did not press any key to boot automatic boot from CD drive. So there was a timeout. Now it was moved to the boot manager because I have not installed any operating system still on this virtual machine. So okay, you can see that boot manager. So the automatically it was selected boot normally. If I press enter, this virtual machine will boot from the CD drive because there is no any install operating system, because there is no any source to boot. So then it will automatically boot from my CD drive. So here I have attached my ISO image file to CD drive. So then I can continue with operating system installation. So guys, it will take few minutes to download and install the VMware tools. It will be automatically done by my uh, VMware workstation player. uh, okay, so okay guys, seems installation was completed. Okay, now we can boot normally. So from the arrow keys you can select boot normally and press enter. Press any key to boot from CD or DVD. Okay, I pressed some key from my keyboard. So now load in files. Okay guys, now it is going to start the installation of Windows 2016 operating system. Okay, so I need to give the language and time currency format. So I will keep default and click on next. You can change it here. If not, you can change it in time using Windows 3. Now we are ready to install. Click on install now. Okay guys, now setup is starting. Oh guys, here we have option which operating system we are going to install. We have four option. The first one in service closing is standard evolution. We don't have GUI with it. GUI with this option. No graphical user interface. The second option for the Windows Server 2016 standard evolution desktop experience, we have a GUI. So we need to select that one because we are not going to install the third one and fourth one. It's for data center one. So click on next. Okay, now we need to read and agree with license terms. So please click on tick on accept the license terms and click on next. Okay guys, now you have two options to install. Upgrade, the first option, if you already have the Windows, you can select that and that option and you can upgrade your operating system. But we are going to first time install Windows operating system, so please click on second one. Okay, now you need to specify your driver. So if you need to add a new one, you can format this and click on new, but I'm not going to change this. So I will keep this same like this and click on next. Okay guys, now it is going to start the installation. So this will take about 30 minutes. So after that this my operating system will reboot it automatically. Then it will ask for the admin username and admin set. It will ask to set up the administrator password. So guys, we have to wait for few minutes. Okay guys, seems the installation was completed and then now it is going to restart. Okay, we need to wait till restart the virtual machine. So actually here we need to set up the administrator password. So after that we can use our virtual machine with Windows Server 2016 operating system. Okay guys, now we need to set the administrator password. So we need to set the password for administrator user. So please add a password for user administrator. Then you need to re-enter the password and then you can finish your um, Windows 2016 operating system installation. So this is not difficult to do guys, so please follow the steps. So I will click on finish. So okay, now we can use our virtual machine with Windows 2016 operating system. Okay guys, please press Ctrl or Delete to unlock this and add administrator password and log into your operating system. So click please press Ctrl or Delete, and also you have option to add using the uh, using your and you have option to add Control Alt Delete without using keyboard on the left hand side. Top of the left hand side you can click on player, then send Control Delete. So it means that it will pop up the login for administrator user. So now you need to add the password for administrator user and press enter. Okay guys, now the we could access the our Windows 2016 virtual machine. So this is how you should install the Windows 2016 operating system using a VMware workstation virtual machine. Okay guys, so I'm going to control panel, search for control panel, and so I'm going to show you some network details. Click on network and internet and click on network and sharing center. Click on Ethernet 01. So this is my network interface card. Click on details. You can see IPv configurations of my network card, my IP address and other information. So guys, if I need to change this, I need to click on properties. So then select network protocol version 4 and click on properties. Then I here automatically IP address obtain. It means DHCP, so I can change it to manual one, and then I can select use the following IP and I can add IP address. Okay guys, this is how you should how you should install the Windows 2016 virtual machine using VMware workstation player. So guys, please share these videos with your friends and subscribe my YouTube channel, follow our Facebook page, and thank you very much for watching this video.